In this video, we'll be taking a look at the different parts of the camera. So whether you're using a compact camera like the one I'm recording this video with, or an interchangeable lens camera, there are components that are similar amongst them. So that's what we're going to look at. So here you've got the viewfinder, and that just allows you to see what you're taking a photo of, and obviously the LCD screen provides a similar function. Next, we've got a range of buttons on the back, and here we've got the menu button, which allows us to access the menu and change various settings. And then we've got some shortcut buttons that allow us to access specific functions of the camera quickly. You'll often find an autofocus, auto exposure lock button. So moving on to the top of the camera, we've got a hot shoe mount here. So that allows us to connect flashes and some other electronic accessories. And then we've got the shutter release button and the mode dial here, which allows us to change between the various modes. Here you also see this little symbol, which is a circle with a line through it. So that represents the focal plane. So that's where the sensor in the camera sits. And then on the bottom of the camera, we've got a 1/4-20 thread. So that will allow us to connect it to tripods. They're a lot of the common features of cameras that you'll find across the board. This is Keith from Take Better Portraits, signing off.